Hello everyone, welcome back. So in previous video we have learned about this length method. So now in this video we're going to learn about character at. So what it does is it returns the character at the specified index, meaning that we can declare a string with the variable and we can simply give the index number. Let's say we can give the index number 0. So it will give you the first letter of that string. So in case we have this welcome string, if we give character at 0, it will return the first character, so which is W. So let's make a program so you can understand this better, where we mostly use this. So open our VS Code. I have a basic HTML structure, so I can take a data list. Inside of this data list, I can have a data term. In data term, let's say type title, and after data term we can have a data definition. In the data definition, I can take input. I can give the id txt title, and after this data definition I can take another data definition, and I can give the id to this id msg. So what basically we trying to do is we're trying to take a input from the user as a title. So in some application the requirement is like they wants to have a input starting from a specified character. So in that case we have to use this character add method. Now we can call a event. So previously we learned about like three events: on load, on click, and third one we have learned about on key up. So fourth one we're gonna use it here is on blur. When you click inside the this input field, it is on focus. I think you have learned this in HTML, autofocus inform. So when we click this is in focus, and when we click outside of this box, that is blur, on blur. So we call this on blur. If we click outside of this box, we set it on blur. So there is a event for this. So we have event on blur. So on blur we can call a function. Now we can declare this function in our script. Inside of the script we can declare this function verify. Now in function verify we can declare a variable. So we want to get the value out from this input field, so we can simply write var. We can say title equals to document dot get element by id. So we have given the id of this txt title, and we want to get the value from this text box. So whatever user going to input, we're going to get that in our variable title. So next we want to get the message also, msg equals to. So we want to show the message right below this title. So below this title we have this data definition, right? So where we want to show the message. So we can simply get this by using document dot get element by id, and the id we have is msg. So now we can simply write our condition. So if title dot, so we want to get the input that start with capital W. So we can apply our condition like this: character at, we can give index 0 if title is starting from capital W, then we can have msg dot inner html, and we can show the message like title verified, and we can give the color, font color, we can give the color green. Okay, If the title that user input is not starting with W, capital W, we're gonna show the error, right? So we can do like this: msg dot inner HTML. We can have title must start with capital W. Okay, and we can give the color on this one. Font color, we can give this time color in red. Okay, so now we can write like this: W A welcome. When we click outside of this box, it's gonna show the error message. Title must start with capital W. So if we click on capital W and again we click outside of this box, it's gonna say title verified. This kind of authentication we perform using this charAt. So in next video we will learn about this charAt. Okay, so make sure you hit the bell icon so you can get the notification of my new video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you liking my video, please do like them and forward if you want, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.